Hey guys, we're doing the team draw for case number 8. Top spot gets 4 spots in the 14-15 NT break, 7:28 and 10 seconds PM Melbourne time. Random is live. Dice roll.
Do you want it?
Rolling 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Jason Arrow. I would say it's a little later. Team draw. Michi. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Yoink. So Jason Aero, Blazers, Joe Chippers, Grizz, Steve Harrison, Magic, Van Houten, Knicks, Jason Aero, Nuggets, Andrew Hunt, Bulls, Marcus Alott, Rockets, Bots, Kings, Steve Harrison, Wolves, Grant McDonald, Celtics, Steve Harrison, Hornets, Grant McDonald, Mavericks, Nathan Alott, Hawks, Glenbow, Wizards, Adrian Javasi, Jazz, Jason Aero, Wizards, Jason Aero, Warriors, sorry. Van Houten, Suns, Eugene U, Clippers, Raymond Dyer, Pacers, Darren Gibbs, Heat, Thomas Pilak, Thunder, Darren Gibbs, Raptors, Glenn Butcher, Cavs, Mr. Holland, Pelicans, Van Houten, Pistons, Dane Fountain, Lakers, Eugene U, Bucks, oh my god, James Thomas, Nets, Bots, Spurs, and Glenn Jackson, Sixers. I got 3 errors there when I was speaking. Let's pop that shit first. And complete.